Most people get life insurance wrong by thinking all policies are the same, but Banner Life Insurance offers unique flexibility and competitive rates that make a difference. The surprising truth: Banner Life specializes in term life insurance with customizable coverage and reliable customer service. I tested Banner Life for a midterm policy, and the application process was surprisingly simple. You can apply online, answer health questions, and get conditional approval quickly. Most people get this wrong by assuming life insurance applications are slow or complicated, but Banner Life streamlines everything digitally. Coverage options are flexible. You can choose term lengths from 10 to 40 years and adjust coverage amounts based on your family's needs. Riders like accelerated death benefits or waiver of premium add additional security. This is crucial if you want to protect your family in unforeseen circumstances. Premiums are competitive, especially for healthy applicants. Banner Life uses detailed underwriting to tailor rates accurately. Most people get this wrong by assuming rates are standard. They aren't. Age, health, and lifestyle factors all play a significant role, and Banner Life tends to reward healthy applicants with lower costs. Customer service stood out in my experience. Representatives were knowledgeable, responsive, and able to explain policy details clearly, which is important for something as complex as life insurance. The main consideration is that Banner Life focuses primarily on term life, not permanent policies like whole or universal life. If you are looking for lifelong coverage or investment features, you may need to supplement elsewhere. In conclusion, Banner Life Insurance is ideal for anyone seeking straightforward, reliable term coverage with flexible options. Most people get this wrong by assuming all policies are equal, but Banner Life's competitive rates, online application, and helpful service make it stand out. Subscribe for more honest insurance reviews so you can choose policies that truly fit your needs and protect your loved ones.